ముంబైలో సచిన్ ఆటోబయోగ్రఫీ రిలీజ్ చేస్తున్నారు. క్రీడా ప్రముఖులంతా హాజరయ్యారు. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Anil Joshi and Hemant Vaingankar were the two who had told me about Sachin. And so I went, they told me that the practice is on, the Mumbai team is practicing. And he was in the 30, I think, at that stage, the 30 probable. So I went to see. I finished playing cricket, I think, at that stage. And again, it was near the old dressing room where the players used to sit out. And I was standing there, and he was batting against Raju Kulkarni, whom we all fondly call Veda Thompson, because he was like Mad Thompson. I don't know whether Raju is here, but
there he is.
There he is. And he was batting against Raju, and Raju, was slippery. He was, and of course in the nets we all know that not many bowlers think about the no ball. They can bowl from almost 18 yards or so. And Raju was doing that. And the manner in which Sachin was batting him, and basically the way he was punching him off the back foot, straight around the mid-wicket area. The time that he had, because he was, as I said, he was slippery, and to be able to get the time to play that was quite astonishing, to be honest. And I think that was for me the first sight, and it really impressed me.
He says one of his biggest regrets is that he couldn't play in the same side as you.
Yeah, I think we would have been pretty good, certainly running between.
You might have done all right together.
I think as far as the running between the wickets, I think we would have been good, because I think for me the most important thing in batting with anybody was that my partner should be able to come for that quick single, dap the ball around here, keep the bowlers all the time bowling a different ball to a different batsman. That for me was important. So for me,
but they might have had to bowl the same length for the two of you.
Well, no, not necessarily, because I think he was more a front foot player, so I think he would have smashed them. So I would have defended them and he would have smashed them.
Dilip Vengsarkar features on page 32, makes an arrival on page 32. Just a 15-year-old kid. You saw him, you brought him to play in the nets against Kapil Dev, and then said he's good enough to play for Mumbai.
Actually, I didn't bring him to play, but my coach Basu Paranjpet brought him. Actually, I was the captain of India at that time, and I was playing in Times of India Shield at